Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and this short video is the draw for 4 winners from my recent 4K YouTube subs customs giveaway. I did 4 Porsche 917s, all in Swiss watch liveries. So one more great big thank you to all of my subscribers around the world for your interest in and support of my hobby work. I'm humbled, and I'm blessed to have you all as online friends. The guidelines were simple. You just had to leave a comment with 4K in it somewhere. I clarified that it's open to subscribers only, so you're on your honor here. Freebies! Let's go. I copied the URL from the original video, pasted into the YouTube random comment picker, filtered duplicate users, and look at this. These guys want you to go premium now to be able to filter by keywords. That's $7 a month. That's not happening. We'll just have to read the comments and look for 4K in there somewhere. We'll start with the Tag Heuer. Roll the dice. What to Repair says congratulations on 4K and greetings from Serbia. Cool, shout out to What to Repair, that's an excellent diorama site. The Breitling is on deck now. Fingers crossed. Twice Diecast, and David says, I love them all. I think Breitling would be my favorite. What? My son is studying to be a pilot, and I'm afraid I'll be shopping for one of those soon. 4K. Well, you're gonna think it's rigged. You'll see a date and a timestamp for all of these. No monkey business, I promise you. The green and gold Rolex is up now. Robert's Model Paddle Steamers says congrats on 4K, Andrew. Been a fan for a long while now. Keep up the excellent work. Thank you, Robert. And the Tissot is for number 4. Alan Schechterly. All of the customizations on the 4K celebration are beautiful. Well done. I hope they all find worthy homes, and I admit I hope I'm lucky enough this time. Congratulations to the 4 winners. You've got a week to get in touch with me at this email address with your shipping info, and I'll pack these up and send them out. Thanks to all of you for watching again. I wish each of you a wonderful weekend. Drive carefully. It's coffee time.